Good morning. Ooh, it's not good morning. It's not good morning, y'all. Good afternoon, you guys. It's 12:45 right now. 12:45, and I'm on my way going at Walmart. I received an order while I'm still at home. $22 for 10 miles with a 3 drop-off. So let's go pick it up this order. Okay, y'all, I am here and he's loading my stuff right now, my deliveries. So you guys, I am super ready for today. I need to make at least 150 before I go home. But yes, I know I started so late and I don't know what I'm even giving myself to 150, but hey, you never know. I need to make at least 150 before I go home. Can we? Can we? Yo, let's push up. So I'm not going to be too selective. I'm not gonna be too picky when it comes to these orders, y'all. So whatever comes my way, if it makes sense, boom, I'ma jump on it. Cause right now I'm only working Spark. I don't like working Uber Eats on this side, on this other side of Walmart. I need because it's not that busy on this side. So I don't know if I might even turn on Uber. Plus I'm not doing Lyft today just because I'm using another car. Now I have a new car, so I have to add this car to my Lyft account so I can start using it. So today I'm not gonna do no Lyft. Yo, today's hit is about to kill somebody. It's too hot. Anyway, $14 for 1 mile. And it's a shopping order. And I'm only going to shop for 8 items. So let's go shop these 8 items. Yeah, today's not a great day, but somehow we are managing it. So I just got another offer after like 40 minutes waiting, or an hour, I don't know. $30, and it's 3 drop off, and it's 13 miles. So I'm just waiting for them to bring it out. First drop off is third drop off, yeah. I mean, or second. We'll try here. Yo, I received another order, you guys. It was $18 for 5 miles, 3 drop off. Yo, if I tell you this order took 30 minutes for them to bring it out, I was about to cancel it, and then boom, it got ready. I'm like, oh my god. And I tried to call them, they did not pick up the phone, because I was confused. Is this a real order, or is just one of those orders that be popping up the whole entire day? Oh, 30 minutes, y'all, 30 minutes. So far, it's slow. And right now it's 5:44, so I still have like 3 more hours before it gets dark, because it usually gets dark around 9 p.m. so I'm gonna go home around 8, but I hope I can get 150. I'm still missing about $60 to get to 150. I don't know like we're gonna make that because it's super slow. Okay, y'all. Let's drop our last one. I already dropped my first one, my second one, so this is the last one. I have another order, you guys. $12. It's a shopping order, only one item. So let's go shopping. Only one item. I hope it's there. Here. Let's go check out. Okay, y'all. Yo, my phone is on a 15%, and I accidentally put water in here somehow, so my charger is not working, and I'm on 15%. So I think I'm about to end my shift over here because the charger is not charging. I tried everything, but the water went inside. And I don't want to buy another charger right now because this was a new charger that I just bought. So anyway, I only had like 1 more hour to work. So I think by tomorrow, this charger is going to be dried already. So I don't want to buy another charger for only this 1 hour that I have left to work. You know? Does it make sense? Does it make sense? So I'm about to go get my this car washed, and yeah, I hope they're not closed right now. It's almost 7, so I hope the car wash they don't close until I need to get this car washed. Yeah, so you guys, I was able to make $97. Not even $100, but guess what? I didn't have the money. I'm super thankful. Super thankful for my $97. You know. Tomorrow it's another day by God's grace. Yep. So you guys, if you really enjoy watching this kind of content, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.